All right, I just got finished washing the car to make it look good during the daytime. Next, I'm gonna do something to help make it look good at night. So I'm back with another banger of a video. Is that what the kids are saying these days? A skibbity video? I don't know. Anyways, I'm working on my Model 3. I'm gonna put a few lights in the trunk and in the frunk. So let's take a look and see what this is. First off, I would like to thank today's sponsor of the video, a new company on the channel called Tlyard. And they sent out a couple lights for me to test out. Let me show you what they sent, and I'll show you something you need to pay attention to. These are the products here. I've got one for the front and the back of the car. One goes into the frunk area and the other around the trunk. They are in identical looking boxes. So how do you know which one is which? Because they are different sizes. So what you should know is if you have 1820, that is for a Model 3, and this is the front. If yours says 1822, that's for a Model 3, and this is the rear trunk area. The only way you can really determine that, because they did not mark them on the sides or anywhere really, is that if you know any Chinese, this says rear box light, and in Chinese right here this says front box light. So it is the front one, all you need to pay attention to is it ends in 20, the rear is 22. So let's go ahead and open these up and take a look. They should be relatively simple to install, so hopefully those aren't my famous last words. And I've got the frunk open here. As you can see, there is light in here. It's very faint, but it does light up a tiny amount here. And at night, it's just not a whole lot. So we're going to improve that by installing this light kit here. When you pop the frunk on the Model 3, it does have a light from the factory, but you can tell it's just not very bright. This is all you can see in the dark. Okay, it comes with a wiring harness and the actual light itself. Here's your instructions. Chinese on one side, English in the other. Once you get everything out of the box, even if you didn't know which version of light kit this is by looking at the box, it does have the proper title on the instructions here. So this is a Tesla front trunk light kit, and it tells you all the details here. It's for a Tesla Model 3 and Model Y, the waterproof class, the power consumption, all that stuff that you may or may not care about. The instructions are pretty straightforward. You're just basically tapping into the light that's already in the front up here with a splitter, and that's how it works. So whenever this front light normally would turn on, this light kit would also turn on and turn off, just like the factory light will. And the first step is just to remove this panel here. This is where the electronics are. So you just kind of pry this off. You can use your fingers. And this is the wiring harness that we're going to tap into. So let's go ahead and just pull that off. As you can see, there's a male and female side to this wiring harness. So you're going to insert the male part of the factory wire into the female part of this harness.
Daddy, chill.
It just clips into place like that. And these two here, they are shaped differently. So this wider one is going to go into the factory light. And it just clips into place like that. Now the wiring of your wire kit goes into this other end. And let's go ahead and clip it in place. And I heard a click there too. Now we're just going to pop this back in. All right, now that you have the cover back on, I've got the wiring just kind of coming out towards the front here. Doesn't really matter where, I think that's just a cleaner look. And what we're going to do is start tucking this underneath the rubber seal, and it's going to hold it in place. But what you need to pay attention to is where the actual LED lights are coming from, this tan colored strip here. So I want to tuck this solid piece towards the back of it, and the thicker piece is going to tuck up underneath the foam or this gasket here, this little rubber seal. This piece is going to be hanging out a little bit on the bottom, and that's what's going to actually emit the light in through the outer area here. So let's start pulling up on this. You'll see how I've got this oriented where I've got the thicker part going up under the rubber seal and the light itself kind of sticking out the bottom there a little bit. There's no tape or anything like that holding this in place. It's just the friction of the pressure of this seal holding it in, and it's not going anywhere. All right, I've got it fully installed. You can kind of see it sticking out underneath some of there. You can try to tuck that up in there. And the light will shine out through the bottom area. So if you see any white sticking out, just tuck that in. All right, so for this to be activated, we're going to close the frunk and reopen it, and it should light up. All right, let's take a look. So I'll take more footage of this at night, and you'll see how it glows at night. It should be a big difference from what you're used to seeing. Now I'm all done with the frunk. Now it's time to move to the trunk area, and it's going to be the exact same process there. You just have to tap into the light that's in the trunk and then just work your way around the rubber weather sealing. And that is it. This is one of the easiest installs I've done, and I've done a lot of installs on this car. This is by far one of the easiest ones, and it's a pretty good bang for your buck. And to sweeten the deal, Tlyard has given me a 27% off discount code for you guys. I'll put the code in the description below, and feel free to use that. So it's the same deal with this kit. This is, unboxing the rear trunk one. It actually does have the proper paperwork inside that says that this is a trunk light, not the frunk one like the other one we just installed. Looks like it's the same components though. Wiring harness looks very similar. Just a longer piece of LED, but other than that, everything is pretty straightforward. It's the exact same install as the frunk. So step one is to get to a light. I've got a light right here, and this is the wiring harness on the back of this. So I'm going to unplug this and tap into that light source, and then I can use that to power up the light strip. Again, I'm going to go ahead and plug in the factory wire into the female part of this and split it off into two ways. This will go into the factory light there. The other cable will go into our new light strip. You see, this is being installed the exact same way. You're just tucking it under the rubber seal here. Go all the way around till it comes back over into here, and you'll be done. All right, so I've got it installed, and it does shine a glow around the edge there. Let me go ahead and turn the lights off so you can see what it looks like in the dark. All right, so it's a lot brighter at night in the dark than in the daylight, of course, but it is really lighting up the back of the trunk a whole lot. Let's go take a look at the Frunk now. And this is the Frunk. This light really does transform the whole front end here at night. You're not going to lose anything in the dark in here. This is super bright, looks really good, casts a nice light on the hood of the car and around the edges. For the price, this is a really good deal. The mod is super easy to install, but man, this looks great. And if you're not a fan of the bright white version that I installed, they do offer a warmer amber version that changes the look of the car completely. Okay, so we have the Frunk and the trunk lights installed. I would like to once again thank Tlyard for sending these out for review and for such an easy install. Anyone can do this one. It is no tools required, no glues or adhesives, nothing. You just pry off the little panels, plug into the wiring harness, and then tuck everything into the little weather strip, and that's it. It's super easy. They're not super expensive, but if you want to save a little bit more, use my coupon code that's in the description here to save 27% off. It's a pretty good deal. So what do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you think it's too much? Do you think it's just right? Let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you guys real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.